Uh, Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ajala Kolawole. I just want to say some things about what is really happening in our country this time. I felt it's important we say it because if we don't say it, it might later come back to us. I'll be making use of two language, which I'll be switching from Yoruba to English. I'll be switching from English to Yoruba because I want to address this issue because people want to be turning back to the people of Musu and Riwa because Musu, we the people from Musu, Lahore and Iwohoro, it's that time we see our brothers who are from Musu and Riwa as our brothers, as our blood because what is going on there is very terrible. The people of Musu and Riwa have been experiencing things that are not to be experienced because of the securities negligent of the citizens by the government. It's high time we
Guy, wetin you wan talk na gusu, no be musun.
what concerns you? It is my own Musun. I said Musun, people from Musun, Ariwa, that people from Musun Yewa and Musun Ilaoru and Iworu should be their brothers keepers. How does that
But
become?
no be so that they talk Musu na cat, Gusu Ilaoru, Iworu, and Ariwa, and everything you want to
Is
talk.
it your Musun? It's my Musun. Please, I'll continue later.